This entire blog, homepage, individual post pages, clean design, live on the internet was built without touching a laptop. No code editor, no desktop, nothing. Just my phone and an AI coding agent called CloudCode. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps from creating an empty GitHub repo to a live deployed website. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by purchasing our educational token, Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. So here is everything you need to develop your full blog website. A GitHub account. This is where your website code lives. The Cloud mobile app with a Pro, Max or Team plan. Since CloudCode on the web isn't on the free tier, you need a Vessel or Nestlify account. This is what takes your code and makes it a live website. Both are absolutely free. That's it. No local setup, no terminal, nothing installed. You can quickly check out our previous video on CloudCode tutorials for beginners for a full breakdown on account setup. Now let's get started. Firstly, we need an empty repository on GitHub. Think of this as the folder that will hold all our website code. Now open your browser. Just head to github.com, sign in with your details, then tap on the profile icon at the top. Tap on Create New Repository. Give your repository a name. I'll call mine my blog. My blog. You can add a description or leave it like that. Leave the configuration public so free deployment tools can access it easily. You don't need to add a README or anything else. CloudCode is going to generate all of that for us in a moment. Just create the empty repo. Just tap on Create Repository. So that's it for GitHub. We are done here for now. Now let's head over to Cloud app. Open the Cloud app. Tap on the icon at the top left. Then tap on Code. If you haven't logged in, just tap on New Session. Connect your GitHub. Tap on Connect GitHub. Authorize. Just tap on Create. You can choose to enable notification. Let's enable notification. Allow. Tap on New Session. So this is CloudCode running in the cloud. It is not on your phone or a computer you own. It runs in an isolated environment managed by Anthropic. That matters because it means nothing this AI does can touch your personal device. Now you can see the repository we just created, my blog. This is the project Cloud will work in. So here is the important part, the prompt. Let me just paste it. I have already gotten the prompt from Cloud. You can again refer to our previous video to know how to generate your prompt. So here is my prompt, stating to Cloud what framework to use, what pages I need, what clean design actually means to me. Instead of leaving it vague, the more specific you are, the better the first results. So here is my prompt. Now before you hit send, tap on the sonnet at the top, then change it to Opus. Then hit send. Cloud will start working. You see it thinking, writing files and running checks. This usually takes a few minutes. While it works, let's talk about what's actually happening behind the scenes. Cloud is spinning up an isolated virtual machine, cloning our empty repo into it, generating every file, the home page, the post templates, the styling, the sample content, and testing that it all builds correctly. None of this touches your phone storage or your GitHub repo directly yet. It is all happening in a pull-up request. Once Claude is done, it opens a pull request, basically a proposed set of changes waiting for approval. This is the safety net. Nothing goes live until you say so. You can scroll through every file it created. You don't need to read every line of code. Just sanity check that it created the pages I asked for. Home page, post templates, the sample post, styling files. If something is off, you can just reply in the chat. For example, make the home page cards 2 columns instead of 1. But now I am not making any adjustments, so I'll proceed. I can either tap Merge Pull Request in GitHub app or Claude's PR view. So now I'll click on View PR. So I'll just scroll through the files to check if it created all the pages I asked for. Now once you are happy with everything, just tap on Merge Pull Request. You don't need to add anything at this point. Just scroll down, then tap on Confirm Merge. This pushes all the code to your main repository. So we have successfully merged it. Now let's move over to the next step. The next step is to deploy, making it a real live website. We'll use Vercel. Netlify works almost identical if you prefer that. So you can open the Vercel app or go to vercel.com in your mobile browser. Let's head to vercel.com. Sign in with your GitHub account. So I'll just tap on Continue with GitHub. Continue. Now I have successfully logged in. All you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the top, tap on Projects, then import the repository. We used my blog, so I'm going to tap on Import. Vercel automatically detects this is an Astro project and configures the build settings for us. We don't need to touch anything. Just tap on Deploy. It's deploying, just hold on a little bit. And there it is, a live URL. Now let's open it. So I'll just tap on it. Wow, look at how cute our website looks. You can see the home page, postcards, individual post pages all working, deployed directly from a phone. You can see everything works fine. One more thing, how do you add new posts going forward? You have two options. Option A, open the Claude app again, go back into the same repo and just say something like, add a new blog post, add a title and your topic. Claude will write the markdown file, follow the same format as the existing post, and open a new pull-up request for you to merge. Every merge automatically redeploys the site. Vercel is already watching for changes. While option B, for quick edits, open the GitHub app, navigate to the post folder and create or edit a markdown file directly. Slightly more manual but works in seconds for changes. So let's recap. We created an empty GitHub repo, connected it to CloudCode in the app, gave it one detailed prompt describing the pages and design we wanted, reviewed and merged the pull request it created, and deployed it live with Vercel, all without opening a laptop once. I hope this video has been really helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comments as a team member will be available to answer them. Like and subscribe to our channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.